Folks, sunshine is back. You see, it's very clear now. That's the school, and just not even a minute of walk, there's another school. Are we ever blessed to have this kind of um, programs from the government where they can provide schools, hospitals, and different facilities that people enjoy? But anyway, you can see the leaves here. They're dead from the perspective of the people who are not experiencing winter. But just for your information, they are going to come back when spring comes. And today, it's very cold, but I thought it would be a wonderful day to go out, even though a while ago it was zero visibility. God has given us different challenges in life. He gave us different weather, but the promise and the good thing about it is after the storm, certainly the sun will shine again. So we have to hang on and come to Jesus because only He can satisfy our soul. And thank you, Lord, for the beautiful day today. May you all be blessed, and God bless you all with good health and happy disposition. Thank you. Bye for now.